Hi everyone, next proof number 32. Prove that nCr plus nCr minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 Cr. Okay, so you will observe this formula in binomial coefficients chapter. Binomial coefficients. So we have to prove nCr plus nCr minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 Cr. Okay. So let us consider LHS. So here LHS is equals to nCr plus n minus 1. Sorry, nCr plus nCr minus 1. Okay. In general, what is the formula for nCr? nCr formula n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here nCr means selecting r things from n things. Okay. Anyhow, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus nCr minus 1. n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into, so n factorial by r factorial formula, r factorial means r minus 1 factorial. Here r is equal to r minus 1. Okay, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. What is r here? R is r minus 1 factorial. Okay. So nCr formula n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Again nCr minus 1. It's like nCr. Here r is equal to r minus 1. Okay, same formula, just replace r by r minus 1. You will get formula for this. Okay. Now, here n factorial, common. So take out n factorial and 1 by, here r factorial, here r minus 1 factorial. Here we have r factorial. Here we have r minus 1 factorial. Okay. So n factorial by, 1 by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus here 1 by r minus 1 factorial into minus into plus minus r, minus into minus plus n minus r plus 1 factorial. N factorial. To make r factorial in denominator, here I need r factorial. Simply multiply numerator and denominator by r. See what will happen. N minus r factorial plus multiply numerator by r and denominator by r. So r by r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay. N factorial into 1 by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus r by r into r minus 1 factorial. So r into r minus 1 factorial is equal to what? R factorial. R into r minus 1 factorial ela rayichu? R factorial. Okay. Into n minus r plus 1 factorial. It can be rewritten as n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Okay, na? Now observe common factors. Here r factorial, here n minus r factorial. Similarly, here we have r factorial, n minus r factorial. Take out r factorial, n minus r factorial. R factorial and n minus r factorial as a common factor. Okay. So n factorial into, so here are common factors are. What are the common factors? R factorial into n minus r. Take out r factorial into n minus r factorial. R factorial into n minus r factorial. And write remaining terms. Here 1 by, here 1 will be there. Plus here r by n minus r plus 1. N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial n minus r factorial into 1 into n minus r plus 1, you will get n minus r plus 1 plus r by n minus r plus 1. It's like solving mixed fraction. Okay na? So this denominator into 1, you will get same thing, plus r. Minus r plus r get cancelled. You will get n factorial into, here n plus 1 will be there, n plus 1 by here r factorial into n minus r factorial into denominator n minus r plus 1. Just observe numerator. N factorial into n plus 1 factorial what? N factorial into n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 factorial. So ఇక్కడ n factorial into n plus 1 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? n plus 1 factorial by r factorial. Write r factorial as it is. I am not changing anything here. See. Here again, n minus r factorial, n minus r plus 1 can be written as n minus r plus 1 factorial. Plus 1 factorial. Let us rearrange the terms here. See. n plus 1 factorial. Write n plus 1 factorial as it is by write r factorial. Now n, let us consider plus 1 minus r factorial. Now look at this formula, look at this expression, n plus 1 factorial by, it's like n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. See, where n is equal to n plus 1, here n is equal to n plus 1, అంటే n plus లో n plus 1 ఉంది. నార్మల్ గా ఫార్ములా ఏంటి మనకి? nCr, what is the formula for nCr? nCr is equals to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Put n is equal to n plus 1 here. Put n is equal to n plus 1. If n is equal to n plus 1, then it becomes n plus 1 Cr is equal to, replace n by n plus 1 everywhere. N plus 1 factorial by r factorial into, put in place of n, put n plus 1. N plus 1 minus r factorial. So now, compare these two expressions. N plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n plus 1 minus r factorial. What is the formula for this? N plus 1 into Cr. Therefore, nCr plus nCr minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 Cr. Okay.